Hey everybody, it's Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness, and I'm here again to make a smoothie with you. Remember, we're gearing up for our online smoothie workshop where you buy a canister of shake and then we email you all the resources along with a step-by-step video of how to prepare 14 of these delicious smoothies to put in your freezer, and then you just dump those ingredient bags into your blender, add your milk, and then blend. And so, great way to meal prep ahead of time for a delicious breakfast with 20 grams of plant-based protein. So today's smoothie is a triple berry green smoothie. And so we're gonna start again with our almond milk. I like to use 12 ounces just because I like it a little bit thinner. I don't like it too thick. And then I'm gonna put in 2 scoops of our vanilla protein. Remember, it's 20 grams of protein, 6 grams of fiber. It's got 23 vitamins and minerals in it, non-GMO, vegan, gluten-free, dairy-free, cholesterol-free. It's got omega-3s in it, and it's low glycemic, so that's important. Just because something might have a little sugar in it, as long as it's low glycemic, meaning it will spike your blood sugar, but then it doesn't cause a crash, like maybe a chocolate bar would. It might spike it, but it's going to gently taper it down, which means it's low glycemic. Okay, then I'm going to use this triple berry. It's actually a triple berry, and it has cherries in it. And I'm going to put a heaping scoop of one because I like a heaping scoop. So otherwise you can use, there's triple berry blend at Aldi. This one just happens to have cherries in it. And then this one again has a hand full of spinach. If you could see my toddler, she is like anxiously awaiting for mommy to make this smoothie so that she can have some. All right, so it's all in there. We're gonna blend. If you would and you liked this video, please comment below and tell us what maybe one of your favorite smoothie flavors is. And also subscribe to our channel so that every time we post a new video, either smoothie related or otherwise, that you will get the updates and that you will see it. Again, this is Jessica Stortz with Stortz Wellness, empowering you to maximize your time, health, and finances so that you guys can live more intentionally in the moments of life, spend more time with your kids. You guys have a great day.